Please like, share and subscribe. Morning glories are beautiful, fast-growing, flowering vines known for their trumpet-shaped blooms that open in the morning and close by afternoon. They belong to the genus Ipomoea and are prized for their climbing ability and vibrant colors. Here's a detailed overview of morning glory flowers. 1. Appearance. Flowers. Morning glory flowers are trumpet-shaped and come in a wide array of colors, including blue, purple, pink, red, and white. The flowers are usually 3 to 5 inches across and bloom in the morning, fading by late afternoon. Each flower typically lasts only a day, but the plant produces many blooms throughout the season. Leaves. The leaves are heart-shaped and lush green, providing a dense backdrop to the flowers. The foliage adds to the plant's appeal, creating a full, leafy vine. 2. Blooming time. Morning glories bloom from early summer through fall. In warm climates, they can bloom nearly year-round. The flowers generally open in the morning and close in the afternoon. 3. Growth habit. Height. Morning glory vines can grow up to 10 to 15 feet in a single season, quickly covering trellises, fences, and arbors. Structure. They are climbing vines with twining stems that wrap around supports. Morning glories are vigorous growers and can quickly cover any structure they are planted near. 4. Habitat. Morning glories thrive in full sun and prefer well-drained soil. They are native to tropical and subtropical regions and grow best in warm climates, but they can be grown as annuals in temperate areas. 5. Care requirements. Light. Full sun is essential for morning glories, as they need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day to bloom abundantly. Soil. Morning glories prefer well-draining soil and are tolerant of poor soil conditions. They do best in soil that is not overly fertile, as too much nitrogen can lead to lush foliage but fewer flowers. Watering. Morning glories need regular watering but can tolerate drought once established. They should be watered deeply but infrequently, allowing the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Fertilizing. Little to no fertilization is needed for morning glories. Too much fertilizer, especially high nitrogen types, can inhibit flowering. 6. Propagation. Morning glories are easily grown from seeds. To speed germination, seeds can be nicked or soaked in water overnight before planting. Sow seeds directly outdoors after the last frost, or start them indoors 4 to 6 weeks before transplanting. 7. Pests and diseases. Morning glories are relatively pest-resistant but can occasionally be affected by aphids, leaf miners, and spider mites. Fungal diseases like rust or leaf spot can occur, especially in overly humid or wet conditions. 8. Uses. Morning glories are commonly used as ornamental plants in gardens, often grown on fences, trellises, arbors, and walls. Their fast-growing climbing nature makes them ideal for adding vertical interest and quickly covering unsightly structures. 9. Cultural significance. Morning glories are associated with love, affection, and renewal because of their short-lived blooms that return each day. In Victorian times, they symbolized love in vain and the transitory nature of life. They are also widely used in folklore and mythology across different cultures. 10. Companion planting. Morning glories pair well with other flowering vines, such as clematis, and can be grown alongside other sun-loving plants like marigolds, zinnias, and sunflowers. They also provide excellent vertical interest in mixed beds and garden borders. Morning glories are cherished for their striking, ephemeral blooms and vigorous climbing habit, bringing a natural beauty and vertical dimension to gardens. They're low maintenance, quick to bloom, and offer a vibrant display throughout the growing season.